Well, Project 2 is MICC, or Mobile Integrated Communications for Construction. It's been led by Bouygues, MICC, German contractors Hochtief and Spanish contractors Dragados are also taking part. The idea behind MICC is to use mobile communications on construction sites to improve quality, safety and efficiency. Let's find out more.
MICC is centred on the idea of a communication container, which is a self-contained communications nerve centre unit delivered to the site at the start of construction. The container provides all the communications infrastructure needed: radio systems, data networks, global positioning systems, multimedia conferencing, connections for site offices, as well as links to public and private networks, giving instant access to clients and other members of the team. Workers out on site will have access to a range of mobile networked computers. The most common device will be a robust walkie-talkie-sized unit supporting voice communications, with telephone and voicemail, as well as simple data capture applications. Simon Soper is MICC's representative on the project.
But what have you got on a typical construction site at the moment? What you got is a ganger out there who, if he's lucky, has got a walkie-talkie. Who can he talk to? 10 other people. What can he do for data? Paper. That's all he has. So our vision is to provide a communications infrastructure on the site, giving everybody on site, not just in the site offices, but also out on the site, engineers, foremen, gangers, even equipment, cranes, piling rigs, whatever, to give them communications, not only with each other, not only with people in the site office, but through this container here, through to the world.
What about MICC then? Is that going to become commercially available?
Well, we've adopted a slightly different approach there. There's an industry, what we've called an industry forum, made up of 20 of the major suppliers of mobile equipment who come to regular meetings every 6 months to learn what we've found out on the construction site in terms of defining our requirements and whether their current models stand up to the mud and the noise and the abuse that they're subjected to on the site. We've got the suppliers very interested in this sector. They realise that as the equipment gets miniaturised, everyone walking around the construction site is going to have their version of a desktop PC, although in their case it'll be spread around their body and around their head instead of sitting on the desk in front of them.